It's going.
How many going?
Tyler, do your backflips already. Holy crap. Aren't you getting dizzy already?
Yeah, he will eventually. How many was that? Do you remember?
I don't know. I would have to watch the tape again.
See, what's your record?
Yep.
12? Okay. Here we go. We're going to go for a 1.5 front flip. Spin.
Wow.
And then 1.5 back flip. Twist.
Are you entertaining yourself?
He's entertaining the camera. What are you talking about? And now, I'm going to jump towards the camera, and then I'm going to fly back. Oh. Okay, that was now, come on, man. Now I'm going to go. Show him your the iron pimp inside of you.
I love how I can see you doing it and then the camera's like 1 second behind.
Sweet. Oh.
Wow.
TJ, everybody.
Okay.
TJ. My assistant. My assistant he is. Don't hit me in the forehead. Double bounce me, sure. Sir. Ready?
Holy shit.
Name's Tyler. I'm about 30 to 40 feet, I think, up in the air right now. Yeah, right.
You wish.
Whoa! Whoa! You are off right now. I was about to do a front flip that would land on my neck. Man, you're so big. You watching this on YouTube right now? Yeah. This is TJ and Carol, aka Tyler. I mean Tyler, aka Carol. So,
and you're on the pre-owned Unicorn Show. You guys have to announce you're on the pre-owned Unicorn Show.
We're on you just said it for us. We're on the show called Sabra's Camera.
No, pre-owned Unicorn Show. Get it right.
Be nice. Check it out. Google it.